Careful.
Hey
everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm finally going to review the Uh-Huh Honey palette by Colourpop. If you've been following my Colourpop story via IG stories or like my video, it was a few videos ago I talked about it. Anyway, I ordered this from Colourpop. My order came in like a week ago. I was super excited. I opened it. It wasn't my order. Anyway, finally got this in the mail today. So I can't wait to freaking play with it. Peel that baby back. It is a 9PN palette, retails for $12. However, I've seen a few reviews and they've touched on this. This middle shade is technically not eye safe, which is super annoying, but that's all right. I guess it's just a pressed glitter. Either way, it says on the back that it's not intended for use in the immediate eye area. So why they didn't just put something else in the palette or like a shimmer in this shade, I don't know, but whatever. I guess I'll swatch them first. So we've got Stinger, Sunburst, Sweet Spot, cute. Then we've got Dandy, Palooza, the not safe shade, and Queen Bee. That's appropriate. It's such a fun glitter too. What a bummer. Then we've got Totally Buggin', Oh Behave, that's cute, and Buzzkill. Swatches are looking like that. Very cute. Let's put it on the eyes. I think I'm gonna start with shade Stinger. That's pretty. I love yellow. If you've been following me for any amount of time, you know I have been waiting for them to release a monochromatic yellow palette. Maybe I'm not looking in the right places, but I really haven't seen many reviews for this. I saw Raw Beauty Christie do one, and she pointed out that middle shade not being eye safe. Oh, and I saw Porcelain do one. And that's it. And I think she might have mentioned it too. I don't know. I learned it somewhere. All right, this shade is blending very easily. I'm gonna see what I want to use next. I think next I'm gonna go in with Sweet Spot. Ideally, I'd like to use as many of the shades as possible. However, it is a monochromatic palette, so I mean, a lot of the looks you do with it are gonna look the same, but looking at it, you can definitely get a few different looks out of it. There's no sense in me trying to pack 8 shades on my lid since I can't use the glittery one. I'm super bitter. Can you tell I'm bitter? Just for fun, let's put on Oh Behave and see if you can even like tell a difference between that and Sweet Spot. I think it still adds some depth. Yeah, it's nice. All right, I'm gonna take some Buzzkill. It's a little patchy. Not on my right eye, but that's pretty normal for me. I always have more trouble blending on my left eye for some reason. Let me get a smaller blending brush. I just want something smaller so I can like get right in that crease. I'm gonna start with Sunburst. Just want to focus it on the inner portion of my lid. Pretty. I used to be so against using my fingers, and now I'm all about it for some reason when it comes to shimmers. All right, same thing over here. Now I'm gonna take Dandy. The shimmers were really nice, which I wouldn't expect anything less from Colourpop. I am gonna take more of that Buzzkill shade and mess with my outer corner some more, just because I covered a lot of that up with shimmer. And I need a little more definition. Sidebar. Is anyone going to Sephora? Because I am, and I want to meet as many people as possible. When I got the email that tickets were on sale, I was like, oh my God, because I talked to my husband basically earlier this year about how they had it last year in October. I was like, I assume they're going to have it again this October, and I really want to go. And that's pretty much as far as that conversation went. We didn't really talk about it much after that. Anyway, I got the email for tickets going on sale this time around and saying it was going to be in September. And I was like, oh man, I really want to do that. And then like, I have a very impulsive personality. Anyway, I started feeling like sick to my stomach that it was going to sell out. Basically, I texted him and said, hey, I really, really want to go to this. And he was like, oh, that's too bad, kind of a thing. And I was like, okay. And then I called him and I said, hey, just say it'll be okay if I go and we'll figure it out. And he was like, no. And I was like, okay. He's like, we'll talk about it when I get home. And I was like, well, what time are you getting home? Because I need to know now. And he was like, I don't know, normal time. So he called me on his way home. And I was like, I'm feeling really sad. And he's like, why? And I was being genuine. And I was like, because I really want to go to Sephora and I'm not going to be able to. And I'm just so depressed about it. And he's like, well, how much is it? And I told him. And he was like, okay. He's like, so we could probably do it for like X amount of money. And I was like, yeah, totally. And he was like, all right, well, this is like your Super Bowl, so go ahead and buy the tickets. And literally I'm on the phone with him, like checking out as he's approving it because I'm like, I gotta go. So basically, 1, I have the best husband ever, but I already knew that. 2, I'll be going to the morning session on Saturday the 7th. I got the VIP ticket for that. And then I just have a regular general admission to the afternoon session on Saturday. So if you're going on Saturday to either session, let me know because I'd love to meet you. I don't have many friends in the real world that are into makeup, at least not to the level I am. So I really like to be able to talk to people who love makeup as much as I do. I mean, let's be real, I have like 4 friends in the real world, so. Well, I really just kept going with that deep shade, huh? God. I don't hate it. It's a little patchy right here, but I always kind of have that problem. Not both of my eyes, at least my left. And my left is my good side, so it's really a bitch. When I tell you guys, I am so tempted to put this on my lid, but I don't want to cut my iris or my cornea. Man. Get it off. Get it off. I'm gonna die. Get it off. My question is, say you didn't watch any reviews, say you buy this palette, and not everyone looks on the back. I usually don't. So, what if you just put it on your eye without knowing? Oh my god, it's on my eyeball. It's on my eye. Oh god. Okay, that was enough excitement for one day. Alright, I think this is cute. Let's brush off this powder and do something else. Oh my god, I left that Fenty lavender powder on my under eyes so long. They're so white. Shit. I usually leave it on like no longer than 5 minutes. It's been 30 since I first put that on, so don't do that. I look bruised. I tried a combination of contour and bronzer today. I don't think it agreed with me. I look like I got punched in the cheek. At least my eyes are sunshine. All right, this is brand new to me. Also from Colourpop. It's one of the Kathleen light shades. It's My Sun and Stars, I'm pretty sure is what it's called. I meant to get the peach one. This one looked peach online, and it doesn't really look that peach right here. So I'm a little nervous that it's going to be really deep. That was one dip. Oh shit. All right, let me tap it off. I'm gonna go in very lightly. Where's it at? Oh, okay. It's not so bad. It's not so peach, but it's not so bad. All right. Oh, fuck. Oh, god damn it, Michelle. I always do this. Yeah, this was not the shade I wanted, my bad. Should have actually wrote it down when I watched her release video. Whoops. Man, and I said I looked like I got punched in the cheek before. Holy shit. Let's try to combat that. So it is Monday when I'm filming this right now. And the Lady Gaga collection launched, well, today, I guess, in the middle of the night for me. I'm in Georgia, so Eastern time, so it launched at 3 a.m. And I didn't really think it was going to sell out because it's a pre-order situation. And with that means that more than likely they're going to take all these orders in and kind of produce what they need because it's not even getting shipped out until September. So I should have just been realistic, but I was like, oh, just in case, I'm going to set an alarm. So I set my alarm for 2:59 a.m. and made sure I was awake for it. I was so afraid it was going to wake my husband up because if I told him that I was setting an alarm just for a makeup launch, he would have looked at me like I was a fucking idiot. And I wouldn't blame him. Like, anyway, so I got the set that I wanted the most because they're like $50 a piece and ain't nobody got time to buy more than one right now. So I ordered the one I wanted, which was the House of Goddess one. Anyway, this morning it's like 8 a.m. and I hop on just to see and nothing sold out. So I didn't have to wake up at 3 a.m. That's the moral of my stupid story. Alrighty, I'm going to take Buzzkill again, pop it in the lower lash line. God, I hate how creasy my under eyes are. My under eyes. No matter what I do, they crease because I have lines there because I'm a human being that did not take care of her skin until she was like 28. If any of you guys are young and watching me, start your skincare routine now. Also, if you're young and watching me, I cuss a lot, so probably don't watch me. Alright, I'm gonna take Sweet Spot. Like on a good night, my skincare routine is 12 minutes long. That's on a day where I didn't wear makeup. On a bad night, it takes a lot longer. Oh, also, sorry about my hair. It's natural. Okay. I'm gonna go grab an eyeliner. I'll be right back. So I went and got, this is from JCat Beauty. It's the Rock and Glitz Purple Crystal Eyeliner. It's beat to hell because I've used it so much. I'm just putting it on the upper lash line. And that is what I call a son of a bitch. Alright, while I wait for that to dry, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner. This is the shade Vivid. I was going to get a yellow liner, but I'm like, purple would be more fun. Yeah, I like the purple. Yeah, fixed it. Perfect. How fun that purple is. Living. Don't tell Morphe I'm cheating on them. I bought the mini size, I guess, of this Tarte Stay Spray. I tested it in store and I just threw the box. I tested it in store and the mist was okay. Not the best, but not the worst. And I wanted to give it a whirl. All right. I don't know. Seems a lot more high powered than it was in the store. It smells nice though. Let's go in with a lip while that dries. This isn't a new release, but it's new to me. It's the Kathleen Lights Colourpop Twinkling Lights. I think it's pronounced Etolie. Don't come for me if I'm wrong. Might go okay with this look, I'm not really sure. The swatch online looked pretty. It's more metallic than I knew going into it. It's alright. Alright, let's go with gloss. I said gloss. Let's go with mascara. Motherfucker! It's because I'm hurrying. Because I'm hot. Because for those of you who don't film for YouTube, oh my god, sitting under these bright ass lights, Whew. Especially when your hair is as big as Texas. It's hot as hell. I know you're thinking, oh, Michelle, you ruined your beautiful look with that dot of mascara. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry about me, sweet people. I'm just gonna take this eyebrow spoolie that I cleaned off. And we're just gonna flake it off. Boom! What mistake? She gone. All right, this is it. This is the final look. What do we think? I really, really enjoyed this palette. This shade was a little patchy, but in the end, I mean, I got it together. It was fine. I think instead, these two are so similar. Then again, so are these two. I don't know. I would have liked one of these taken out and maybe for them to put just like a matte brown. I know that it's a yellow palette, but I think brown in the outer corner would really just kick it up a notch. And then I wish they'd take this fucking glitter shade out that you can't use on your eyes and put like the same kind of bright shade in either an Eye Safe glitter or a shimmer like this. Like a really bright yellow would have been fun. But it was a really good palette. If you like Colourpop's formula, you'll like this one. Same formula, same blendable mattes, same really pretty shimmers. Very solid palette. On another note, my Kathleen Lights blush was not the shade I wanted it to be, but it was fine. And that gloss is all right. Not my favorite color, but whatever. Anyway, guys, that about wraps it up. If you like this look, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you like my reviews, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't like this review, well, suck it. No, sorry. If you didn't like it, I don't care. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!